Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload a photo on the application of Tripadvisor Plan and Book Trips app. So it's really simple and easy. For this, first of all, just open up the Tripadvisor application in your mobile and then tap on this account in the bottom right corner here. Now here you will see these options. You have to tap on this first one, profile. Now in profile, you can see this option here, upload your first photo. You can write your first review as well. Let's say, so we have to upload a photo, tap on this, upload your photo, and then you can see you can easily upload any photo here. So just select your photo and then you can share some details about your photo or you can add a location as well. After doing these things, tap on this upload and that's pretty much it. As you can see, your photo has been uploaded and now you can see your uploaded photo as well. As you can see, one photo, so we have just uploaded one photo. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to upload a photo on Tripadvisor. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.